Hello, welcome all of you. So, we have just few days left in our UPTET exam 2021. Okay, so I hope all of you have finished your preparation and revision for the exam and fully prepared now to give the exam. Okay, so all the very best to all the candidates who are appearing for the UPTET 2021 and also for the CTET. Okay, so basically in this video, I have tried to cover all the MCQs from CDP in such a way that you get a short glimpse of your full syllabus through these questions. Okay, so I have tried my best to bring out all the important questions in this video. So there are at least 30 to 40 MCQs in this video, so watch carefully till the last. I hope all these questions gonna help you in the exam. Okay, so those who are appearing for the first time, don't panic in the exam hall, just go and look through the question carefully and try to answer as per your concept. Okay, don't panic. So let's start the video, and before starting I would like to request those who are new in this channel, subscribe the channel and share the videos with all of your friends, and you can check out the playlist also. There are lots of MCQs which might be helpful for you just before the exam. Okay, so let's start the video, and please do like and share the video. So today's first question: which of the following is the primary socializing agency? So here the correct option will be option C, family. Okay. Next question: which of the following characterizes a child in the pre-operational stage? So here the correct option will be option A, irreversibility of thoughts. Next, in progressive education, children are seen as. So in progressive education, children are seen as active explorers. Okay. And teacher acts as a facilitator. Okay, keep in mind. Next question: the word pedagogy means. So the word pedagogy means to lead the child. Okay, to lead the child. Next, pedagogy is the study of. So pedagogy is the study of teaching methods. Okay. Next question: which of the following indicates child's physical growth? So physical growth is always quantitative, okay, and development is both qualitative and quantitative. Keep in mind, it's a very important concept. Next, the best method to study growth and development of the child is. So here the correct option will be option C, that is developmental method. Next, the term PSRN in development implies. So the term PSRN means perceptual, skill, reasoning and numeracy. Okay. Next, which of the following statements is not true? So here all the options are true except option B. Development is a quantitative process. Development is not only quantitative, it's both quantitative and qualitative. Okay, so keep in mind. Next question: special education is related to. So special education is mainly for the disabled persons. Okay, educational programs for the disabled, option B is the correct answer. Next, according to John Dewey, schools must prepare students for. So here the correct option will be option C, present life. Next question: what type of evaluation identifies learning deficiencies and difficulties of the learners? So it is known as diagnostic test. Okay, option D will be the correct answer. Next question: which from the following should be used to increase correct responses and appropriate behavior? So we have to motivate the child by praising them. Okay, so option D will be the correct answer, praise. Next question: at the pre-primary stage, reading aloud while writing is given importance. This is based on which theory of learning? So this is based on conditioning theory. Option B will be the correct answer. Next question: according to Emile, the noblest work in education is to make an, option C, good citizen. We all must be good citizens first. Okay. Next, Which of the following is not taken into consideration while preparing the blueprint for a test? So here the correct option will be option D, teaching time. Next question, psychology is a, so psychology is a science of behavior. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Next question, what is the stage from 2 to 6 years called? So it's called pre-childhood. Okay. Next question, according to Jean Piaget, children develop abstract logic and reasoning skills during, so it is the formal operational stage. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Next question, according to Jean Piaget, children are no longer egocentric when entering, so when they enter concrete operational stage, they are no longer egocentric. Okay, so option D will be the correct answer. Next question, which one of the following is measured by continuous comprehensive evaluation? So here the correct option will be option A, holistic development. Next, Rousseau advocated an educational method which consisted of removing the child from, option C, society is the correct answer. Next, the philosopher who for the first time mentioned the importance of play or sports in education was, so it was Aristotle. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, according to John Dewey, children should experience dash in schools to make them better citizens. So here the correct option will be option B, that is democracy. The curriculum of educational institutes should be based on, so it should be based on theory and practice. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, the period that initiates the transition to adulthood is, so it is called adolescence. Option D is the correct answer. Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogues that children have with themselves as private speech. Okay, private speech. Which of the following constructs does Right to Education Act 2009 advocate? So here the correct option will be option C, inclusive education. Next, in a constructivist frame, learning is, so here the correct option will be option B, active and social in its character. Next question, creativity is thought to be related to the concept of, so creativity refers to divergent thinking. Option C will be the correct answer, divergent thinking. Next, in the context of education, socialization means, so here the correct option will be option A, adapting and adjusting to social environment. Okay. Next, which of the following is an example of fine motor skill? So here the fine motor skill is writing. Option D is the correct answer, and all of the others are gross motor skills. Okay, climbing, cooking, running, all these are gross motor skills. Next, which of the following is a principle of development? So here the correct option will be option C, it does not proceed at the same pace for all, not same place, it's same pace. Okay, C is the correct answer. Next question, diagnosis of the gaps in the learning of students should be followed by, so here the correct option will be option B, appropriate remedial measures. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next question, the most appropriate meaning of learning is, so here the correct option will be option C, modification of behavior. Next question, the concept of mental age was introduced by, so here the correct option will be option D, Binet Simon. Okay, option D is the correct answer. So all these questions going to be very important, and I hope all this help you for your exams, and don't forget to watch out the other videos in the playlists so that your preparation becomes very strong. And thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please do share and like the video and subscribe the channel. And in the comment box I have given the link to my Facebook page and Telegram group, so do join there, and best of luck for your exams. So see you in another video with another topic. Thanks for watching.